Rune crossbow. Hey, 2 crushed nests. Nice. On the way to the hot tub? Oh, and then you drink. I see, I see. Where's the invite? Sounds like a good time. Version 8 does. Apparently, I've lost track of how many times I've gotten it. Oh my god. Wait a minute. What is this? What? What is this? Oh, there's a Runefest one? What's the Runefest one? Oh, I don't even know now. Cool menu? Yeah, so I guess it reset on us. Yeah, we get 99 construction with this longbone right here. Gives you about 45k construction XP. And this longbone from Kree is 1 in 100. It does drop a curved bone, 1 in 5k. And the hilt is 1 in 500. And I've gotten like fucking so many longbones. Shit game. 4500, not 45k. Yeah, 4500 con XP. Which is fine. I can get it down to that amount, and then we can have a party in the Lumbridge Goblin Cave. Let's do this. Oh, you know about that? That's the cow. Wait, that's the Runefest one? Really? Competent. So we want leagues 3. Why can you check mark all of them? That's so weird. Oh, does it just cycle through all 4 so it's different every time you teleport? That's kind of cool. Like random. Oh my gosh, fucking kill it already. What the fuck? 10 mistakes could be kind of sketch. Oh my gosh, fucking kill it already. What the fuck? 10 mistakes could be kind of sketch. Oh my gosh, fucking kill it already. What the fuck? 10 mistakes could be kind of sketch. Oh my gosh, fucking kill it already. What the fuck? 10 mistakes could be kind of sketch. Almost died there. Really gotta be on your feet, on your toes with this bullshit content. Ooh, that was bad. I was holding on to the Colt way too long there. Can we finish off this boss, please? Die.